of the window. Get all the rope out. Jackie, move. Jackie, sit on the ground, please. On the ground. Or is it wedge? No, it might be wedge. Sit here. Okay, you just got Jackie. I've got to be able to see the screen. So can you sit back a little more? Back a little. And you want to hold here with your hands. Okay, here we go. Hi Jake. Want to say hi to everybody? Hi everyone, we're going out today to check our crab pots. They've been in overnight. So hopefully, hopefully we've got a couple in the pots, but you just never know in this place. Sometimes it's blue swimmers, sometimes it's mud crabs. If we can get a blue swimmer or a mud crab, we'll be happy. One or two will do us for our little family. Yeah, let's go, Jakey. Mum, sit up. Taken 2 nets up and we've got 0 so far. Not good signs for the final 2. Let's have a look. Coming up on these last couple now. Yep. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Any crabs, Jake? We got 0 again. Oh no. Final net. Not very hopeful if we've got 3 empty nets already. Not usually that successful crabbing in winter, so in some ways not surprising, but you still hope. And another empty one. Hey everyone, no crabs on this trip, but if you like the idea, give us a like and we'll try to do another video soon. Winter's not the best time for crabs, as I've just said, but hopefully next time we'll get a few. If you like the video, hit like. If you want to see more videos from me, please hit subscribe. See ya.